Hello everyone. It's 11:42. I just recorded one session of 1 hour, and I've just noticed that I made so many blunders in them. So I don't wanted to upload a video with so many blunders. So I just thought that I will make one more video. So let me see what blunders I made in that video, because I think I can make the same blunders in this video. So yeah, first of all, like whatever I'm gonna teach you now, I've just learned it in like last 3 weeks, and while solving the problems, what happening is I'm like so curious as a student. Okay, so whenever I'm teaching something to you, I just wanna upgrade it, and I just wanna check if this upgrade works or not. So that this curiosity is like lagging the video, and my so many of experiments are getting fail, and that's the problem I was facing in like last video. Like while explaining some topic, I made like 3 to 4 errors. Okay, like um, in for loop, in while loop, and in if else statement, I started upgrading the question. Like um, if the basic question is this, I was just using some like let's say if something is getting used in a while loop, what I have did is I've used the same function for loop, and I was checking that if it works or here or not. So that made it like so long video and so boring, so I'm not gonna do the same error over here. That's the one thing. And second thing, what we are gonna learn, we till now you would have got idea, but let me show them like timetable, like mind map. Okay, first we are gonna go with if else statement, right? Second, we are gonna go with nested if. Maybe nested if, leave it. Nested if is like so basic, you can do it by yourself if you know the if else statement. Okay, second we are gonna go with while loop, and while loop of for second we are gonna go with for loop, and third we are gonna go with while loop. And after completing this three loops, I'm gonna solve two questions. One is a kind of medium, and second is like kind of odd question. And after solving these two questions, our video is gonna get end. This is the mind map of video. Let's start it. So we are gonna start with a basic calculator. This is the basic calculator. Here you have given one input as one integer, second input as second integer, and in third input you are gonna choose one operation out of this four statements. And here you have given if else statements, means if statement, like this statement gets failed, then you will jump to this statement, and if this statement get failed, this statement fail, this fail, this. Okay, this is the reason that we use if else. Okay, so what is elif means? Elif is kind of mixture of else and if. Okay, mainly it work as if statement, but also we use L because we want to use it like for multiple conditions. Okay, yeah, simple logic is if this doesn't work, this and this. Okay, great. So one more dot you can get why we are using this double equal to here. So we are using a double equal to and a single equal to just for a reason, and the reason is a single equal to means we are saying Python that it is equal to this operation or this integer or this input. Okay, and this double equal to means we are asking Python that is it equal to this, is it equal to this, is it equal to this, and Python will answer in true or false. So that's the reason that we use double equal to. Okay, let's say how it works in if condition. Okay, so now here we have asked the Python that if c is equal to plus, run this statement. Okay, and Python will read it, and it will check that if it is equal to this, and if it is really equal to this, then it will run this, or else it will not run this. Okay, I hope now you got this. And if still you're not getting this, just memorize it. I can't help you with that. Okay, so first we will run this, and after running this I will solve your doubt that why we are using only strings over here. Okay, so wait a minute. Yeah, let's say here we give 2, here we give 3. One more minute. Here we give 2, here we give 3, and the operation choose is plus, and it will add the numbers. Okay, great. Okay, great. Yeah, it is 2 lines of so yeah, let's give you a 5, let's 6, operation be this, and 5 by 6 is kind of 0.8884. Yeah, great. So yeah, why we are using only strings over here? We are using only strings over here because you can write anything over here. Like, see, if you just wrote your add, and you run this, and you choose your 5, you choose your 6, and you write over your add, still it will add the numbers. Like it like what it is doing is, it is checking if the input that you gave and um, the string, the function that is written over here is equal or not. It's just gonna do that. Like, it's it is nothing to do with any variable. Okay, so let's say here I wrote my name. I think now you will get this. Now if still you are not getting this, memorize it. 5 and write your name over here. Like, write the name that you wrote here, and now just give enter. Still it is adding the numbers. Okay, that's it. Like, you can assign any function over here. Just what you have to do is, you have to give the same function, like you have to give same input over here, then you will it will run this function for you. Okay, I hope you got this. And the last thing, let's say you first a minute wait a minute let's say you give 5, you give 4, and you choose any wrong operation like percentage, and you run it. It will give you output as the operation chosen is wrong, and this we have wrote it in our else statement. Okay, the operation chosen is wrong. Yeah, okay, so let's go with first statement. So for this we have to get one dictionary. Let's say fruits. In fruits, it is not a dictionary, it is kind of a list. Okay, list. Great. Apple. One more is banana, and um, one more is what we can have, papaya. Watermelon. Yeah, watermelon is kind of, yeah, great choice, watermelon. Yeah, I think this how many we got? 1 2 3 4. I think we will need one more. 5 is a kind of lucky number. Okay, 5 and 4 both are lucky number, but we'll get output as 3 and 4, so 4 and 5 is a better option. So let's take it as strawberry. Berry, strawberry, berry, strawberry. Okay, so let's say for I in fruits and print I, and see what happens. Just see, just go and watch it. So you will get output as papaya, no, apple, banana, papaya, watermelon, and strawberry. Okay. So why it is getting in different lines and why I'm not getting this in the same line? So see, you have not assigned it like the element that on my space it have to occupy. So what it is doing is it is occupying the total space that it I've got, which is one line. So it is occupying the one line space and it's just getting over here. So see what we have done now. First, we have took one list of fruits. Second, for I in fruits means this I statement is connected with this fruit statement, and is kind of now you are saying that I is in the fruits. So whatever you want to write for fruits, you can write it for I and it will get run for fruits. Okay. So if you so it's just differentiating every letter. Okay, apple, banana, papaya, watermelon, and strawberry. Okay, great. Wait a minute. Okay. So now what next? Next is I want it in one line. So if you want it in one line, you just can use this. So what I've done is I've gave it one end statement and I've said that this is your place. Only you can be in only you can only leave this much space after you. Okay, and it is gonna obey and it's just gonna leave this much space. Okay, you can see your apple this much space and banana this much space and papaya this much space and watermelon this much and strawberry this. Let me run it once more and apple, banana, papaya, watermelon, strawberry. Okay, great. Now one more problem I've got. What? Semi. I want like index number, like I want a serial number like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, great. I also want it. So how to get it? So for this we use index function. Okay, great. So let's run it. What happened? Let's see. We are getting one error. Why we are getting one error? We are getting one error because we have not used one very important function which is called enumerate. Okay, why we use enumerate? We use enumerate because if you want to run this index function and I function at a time, you have to use this. It's just a rule. Okay, so if you want to remember this rule, you can remember it by enumerate. Enumerate. Okay. I hope it kind of helped you, and if it not helped you, at least try at least I tried to make you remember it. Okay, at least I tried, at least. Yeah, so yeah, enumerate or you keep it as I, and gives the statement an end statement, and let's see what happened. So yeah, what is this? Why it is starting with 0? I want to start it with 1. So it is starting with 0 because in Python every element count start with 0. So for Python it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Okay, great, for Python it is that, but no, I want to start it with 0. Like I want to start it with 1. What to do? You can go in fruit statement and you can say it that start it with 1, and For you it was started with 1, and now let's run it. So you got 1 apple, 2 banana, 3 papaya, 4 watermelon, 5 strawberry. Okay. Great. But what is this comma over here? I don't want this comma over here. I want here one full stop. Okay, you got so many conditions over there. So for fulfilling that conditions, you have to write some statements. I'm ready to write them, but I want like a kind of perfecting. Okay, great. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. And yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, this is kind of print statement. Yeah, and this is else. Better than this, I would have typed it out. Okay. Yeah, so at this end I want a full stop. So now let's run it, and I made some error. Really? What error I made? For if I is I, fruits 5, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wait a minute. 5. I don't think I made any error now. Oh, why it is making error with 5 and 4 doing this. Just give me a moment, and let's see what happened. Okay, so if I'm using 4, what it is doing is it is also giving full stop for pointers, and also it is giving full stop for strawberry, and I don't want that. And if I am using 5, it is showing some error, and I don't know why it is showing this error. See, it may be showing this error because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is a fourth element. So yeah, it may be the reason that it is showing the error. So to solve this out, what I can do is I can write here one equal to, and I can just run it, and see, the problem is I'm getting this as full stop and this as comma. Bro, what is this? uh, it's a kind of headache I'm getting. See, I don't think I made an error. Like, bro, wow. Kind of, it's getting like headache. I'm getting a headache. Oh, bro. Bro, matlab, yeah, see what it is doing. Like, okay, I can say you on this one thing that it I made some error. I don't think I made any error in code. Like, see, index is great, I is great, in is great, enumerate is okay. So why God, why you are doing this to me today? I will die with the deck today. Bro. Okay, see, I'm gonna ask this to ChatGPT because I'm not getting what error I made. I've never imagined that I'm gonna use ChatGPT, but I don't have any option. Acha. Oh. Really? Let's see what ChatGPT have uh, ChatGPT have suggested us to do this, and if the error will get solved. Okay, but I'm getting this full stop over here. I don't want this. Okay. Um, -1 and fruit start with 1 and index I enumerate. See, my main problem is not about this strawberry. Why I'm getting watermelon full stop? I don't want watermelon to get a full stop. Yes. Okay. So wait a minute. So let's keep it for and let's run it, and still we are getting this as full stop, but I don't want this to get full stop, right. So what, like, why it is getting full stop? I have to get the reason behind this. It may be because index is for, if this is the reason. Wait a minute, like, let's run this now. No, that was not the reason. So what is the reason that why it is getting full stop? Bro. Yeah. Okay, see, I'm okay. Now I'm not getting this. We will like just copy code and paste it, and if this got worked out, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just quit the video. Yeah. Like, see, I've copied the ChatGPT code. Okay, you can see comparing with the last element in the list and everything, but still it is getting a full stop. I will show you this. So yeah, you can say that no error in my code. It is something error with this Visual Studio Code. I don't know what error it is, and for the next time I'm not gonna use this Visual Studio Code. It's a deck, a bigger deck, bro. Fuck. Okay. So yeah, it was not my error, whatever it is, but I will find it out that why we are getting this first stop over here. But see, I've also took the help of ChatGPT, and I've copied the exact ChatGPT code and I have run it, and you can see over here it's still it is getting full stop. So it's some kind of error in code. Like in the editor in Visual Studio Code that I'm using. So I don't think this is like great for Python. Like Jupyter Notebook is like better than this. Okay. So this was with while loop. Let's go to for no. This was with for loop. Let's go to while loop. Okay. So I'm feeling like, see, I'm feeling so bad for the last problem that I used ChatGPT, but I'm also feeling happy that ChatGPT also got it wrong. Okay, while I is less than a. Okay, what I'm doing now? I'm kind of writing a factorial. Okay, so I'm kind of writing a factorial means what? Factorial, like, see. Um. Okay. So I'm just. Mm, so yeah. What I'm doing is I'm writing a factorial of a number, and just give me a moment. I will explain you what I'm doing. First, let me run this. And let me show you something. Okay, don't say me 5. Okay, factorial I plus equal to 1 factorial. Okay, here print factorial. Okay, so just give me a moment. And I done it 2-3 weeks back, so I kind of little bit just give me one moment. Yeah, I got that. So yeah, till now what I was doing, I will explain it to you. Just give me a moment, just a moment, just a moment. Yeah, great. So what is while loop? uh so I think I went to little advanced. So wait a minute. Yeah, so while loop is nothing, it's just a continuous loop. Okay, so it is kind of you can say it is kind of a loop, but which never end. Okay, so let's say you wrote this and you wrote this and wrote this and you said I plus equal to 1. So what is while loop? While loop is a continuous loop which like let's say you gave some conditions to it, in which you said that I equal to 1, and while I is greater than 0, like till I is greater than 0, it will print I, and I is plus equal to 1. Like let's say if I printed as 1, now I is equal to 1, and 1 plus equal to 1 is 2. Now I is equal to 2 and it is printing 2, and in the next line it will be equal to 2 plus equal to 1, means it would also add with 1 and it will also become to that number, and it will just get on continue. So let me run it and let me show it to you. See, this was the thing that I was talking with you. It's a continuous loop which never end. Okay, great. Okay, I want it in one line. What to do for that? Just do this. Okay, and just use one comma and one space and just see the magic. See this. It's let me show it you on a large screen. It's like never ending. It will never end. It will just go on, 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 and you can't. I know that you can't even see one number. Okay, like because I also can't see any number. It is just gone and it will go on still infinite. Okay, yeah, infinite means it's never gonna get stopped. Still, we don't delete it. Okay, so to stop it, like to give it a break, uh, you have to set this I is greater than equal to 10, and now let's see, then it will give output as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Still you don't give one condition over here, till it don't get like get good with that condition. It is gonna get print this and this. Okay, great. Now what else you can do with this? You can make factorial. Okay, so let's say you gave one int as input and I equal to 1, factorial equal to 1, and while I is less than equal to 1, means till I is less than equal to 1, what will happen is factorial into equal to I. What this mean? Okay, this mean that factorial is a variable which is equal to 1 and which will multiply with I, which is also equal to 1 at starting. Okay, once it got multiplied, okay, like let's say 1. Okay, in second line what it will happen is like factorial will become equal to 1, but I plus equal to 1 you can see over here, so it will become 2. Now I 1 into equal to 2 is equal to 2, means now factorial become equal to 2, and I become I have been equal to like 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now for this become equal to 3, and this is equal to 2, and 3 into 2 is like 6, and this get continuous, and it will get n when it will become equal, like till it become equal to I, and I is equal to a. So I hope you are getting the logic behind this. Okay, so just the logic is, see, in factorial what we need a multiplication of number till from 1 to a, and we are getting here. Okay, so like see, let's run this, and see, let's say 4 factorial is 24, and we are getting 24. So yes, it's kind of working. Okay, so what happen if we write this in the loop, like in between of the loop? Okay, and now we run it. So same input we gave 4. What it will do is it will give like, see, at first what it have done 1 into 1. At second case it have done 1 into 1 plus 1, which is 2, and in third case what it have done is 2 into 2 into like 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3, means 6. And now what it is gonna do is like it is 6, and 6 into 3 plus 1 is 4, so 6 into 4 is 24. So it is just doing that. Okay, now let's say here you gave one n equal to, and this, and a comma, okay, and a space, and you run this. Wait a minute, now you run this, delete it, now you run this, and here you give one 4 as input, so it will give this as output. And now you run this. Now let's take a bigger number, 10. So see, what it is doing is it is also giving you the factorial of 1, factorial of 2, factorial of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But you want only 10 factorial, you don't want this all this stuff. So if you don't want all this stuff as output, what you have to do is you have to get out of this loop, and if you will once, like let's say if once you get out of this loop, and you write your statement over here, print factorial, then what will happen is uh, it will just print the last output that you're gonna get. Okay, the last output, the which is I is equal to a, you're gonna get only that output. Okay, and if you write it in between the loop, you will get every output that it is multiplying. Okay, I hope you got this. And like if you have like little bit doubt in between the logic, just try to learn the like try to learn the concept, not the logics behind it. Like, yes, logic also is important, but main like for okay, like, yes, logic is important. So yeah, if you have any doubt in logic, let's like message me, like just comment me down. I will try to make it in another video, because now it's time is 1:05, and tomorrow I do also have a college. So yeah, I'm getting so sleep. So let's go to next one, which is solving questions. Okay, first let me see the time. 32 minutes. Okay, great. 32 minutes. So yeah, we got like two question, which is one is this nested if else statement. I don't think this is important. This is like so easy. And do I have any else question? Um, let's see what we got. No, it's not that important. Yeah, this is kind of question, and this is question is related to def and okay. So let's do it. Um, so what this question is saying you're tasked with creating a system to evaluate the strength of user password. Okay, the system should check if the password is strong, medium, or weak based on certain conditions. Okay, strong if it has 8 characters, contains number, uppercase letter, and special character. Okay, medium at least 6 characters, contains either a number or uppercase letter, weak anything else. And okay, great. So in this what we are gonna do is we are gonna check password strength kind of. Okay, so for this we are gonna use def statement. Okay, so def means defining one condition. Okay, yes. So for this first let's make our special character. Okay, so let's define our special characters. So yeah, special character equal to only it is going to use at and this hashtag as special characters. So we are also going to use only at and hashtag because the reason behind this is the time. We don't have time to write all the special characters or to search them and all, so we are just using this. Okay, so first let's write the if statement for strong password. Okay, so for this strong if you want this strong password as your output, then it should contain one uppercase letter. Okay, uh, one uppercase letter. Okay, if any character dot is upper. Okay, for char in p. Okay, so what we have done over here. Okay, I know now we were learning only basic if statement, basic for statement, and basic like what we say, basic while loop, and from that we gave jump to this like definition. Any is upper is this for character, like it's so much confusing. Like, I know it's so much confusing, and it will give you like it will give you so many doubts. Okay, I know that because I went through it, and I know that pain. But see, my pain is sleep. Okay, now its time is 1 9, and after completing this video it will take me 4 hours to upload it. So yes, and I don't want to lose my consistency, so just I'm recording this and I'm just uploading it. Don't worry, I'm gonna make more videos on if statement, in else statement, and on while loop, on for loop, and we are gonna solve so many questions on them. And then you see this part of this video. But if someone know like little basics in Python, just go with this. Okay, I will try to explain you some concepts. Okay, yeah, great. So what our question ask us, so our question ask us, uh, strong password is of at least 8 characters and contains a number and uppercase letter and special character. Okay, so for strong password you have to go with all these things. Okay, So okay, our character is upper. So is upper is used to check if any character in a password have is like uppercase or not. Okay, great. And right, and is used like and is used uh, first let me write this. So and is used to say that this condition is also should be applied and this condition should also be true, and like both the conditions should be true whatever condition you are writing. Okay, uppercase letter is done, and it contains a number is done. Now it should have a special character and yeah, 8 characters at least. Okay, so len of p means, yeah, and one more condition is len of p is greater than equal to 8. Okay, what is len? Len means length. Okay, so whatever like see, let's say this statement like this password at the rate like p at the rate okay, wait a minute, what we want length. Okay, let's say LO123. So length of this LO123 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is the length. That's it. This is a length of p, and it should be greater than or equal to 8. Okay. Okay, one more condition is this condition is satisfied, this satisfied, this satisfied. It should also contain one special character. Okay, and any of character any of character equal to special character for char in p. Okay, if any of character is equal to special character for char in p. Okay, this if this all condition satisfy, we will get written as a strong. Okay, strong password. Okay, elif like let's say what conditions it have for this. It should have at least 6 characters, either number or uppercase. Okay, so one uppercase condition is there, so let's take it, and one what it is uppercase, and what else it want, it want uppercase or a number. Okay, number. Okay, so let's take also this, and let's write a or statement because it want this or this. So here we have to write one or statement. And why I'm writing bracket over here, because in with this it also want one and statement, which is length is greater than p greater than equal to 6. Okay, and if this is the password, it will be like a medium. Okay, it is kind of medium password. Okay, and else return weak. Okay, what is return statement? It is just like a print statement for password. Okay, you can say that. And now we have to type all this stuff. Password. Just give me a moment. Yeah. No, I can't do this. Let's type by our own hands. Okay, so passwords equal to what is this? A1 B2 C3 D4. Okay. F password index. Did I define index? No, I didn't. Will it define it by itself? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it will not kind of define it by itself, but we can take one risk. Okay, this may be get wrong, but you see, I do have a habit of getting wrong. Okay, so what we are gonna do right here, password passwords, yeah, password index password, and which index, okay, passwords is done. Yeah, okay, it's showing me error and I can't be just ignoring it. Okay, for I in passwords, okay, yeah, I think we are good to go with this. Let's run this. Okay, we made an error. Actually, I made an error. So let's see what error I made. I is okay, done. Password P NP is super for P. Is this it for no, yeah, not this. So what error I made, char is for char in p, or and any characters is digit for char in p, len p special character for in p, and any character. Okay, this is also good, this is also good. Yeah, passwords is equal to this for I in password, and this may be the error I made for I, and now let's run it. Okay, we got medium, medium, weak, medium, medium. Okay, I made any error in strong one. Okay, any character is dot upper. Okay, and any character is digit. Okay, and len of password is this, and is equal to. Okay, let's comment out it. Okay, and now let's see what happened. Now let's run this. Strong, medium, weak, strong, strong. Okay, I made any error in this part. Now I have to see what error I made in this part. This is the problem of this. Char is equal to special character. No. Oh yeah, I think char is equal to special character now. Like, what error I have made this? Special character is equal to dot, and I have to char is equal to special character in this. Let's run this and we'll see what happened. It will show error. I know that it will show error. So okay, we got at and hashtag as this. Let's run this. Okay, at least we are getting password 1, medium, medium, and this. Okay, for strong we have to see what error I made over here. Okay, for special char is equal to for char in p. Char is any char. I don't think is gonna work. Yeah, it's not working. Any char as. I don't think as is also gonna work, but no, it's not gonna work. Char as is also not gonna work. This is the reason. Okay, so we tried char as, char in, char equal to. Let's see again. For in. Okay, finally we got this. Okay, so yeah, we got password 1 is equal to strong, password 2 is equal to medium, password 3 weak, password 4 strong, and password 5 medium as our output. And the error I have made is here I took it as equal to, but I have to take it as in. Okay, so what is the difference between equal to and in? See, equal to means it should be like totally exact same. Okay, like exact. Okay, now let's say we took at as special character, and I took equal to, and I just run it out and see here I got strong password. Okay, see, I'm also showing you the error, like the logic behind the error I made. Okay, I don't know how I forgot it, but yeah, I just forgot it. And so that equal means it should be like exact same. Okay, you can't even make a single change in this. Okay, like let's say where our password list is. Okay, see, like if I wrote here hashtag, and if I wrote here at, and if I wrote here at hashtag, and if I wrote like this, and now if I run this, uh, wait a minute, yeah, at hashtag, at hashtag, at hashtag, okay, and now I got again, see, why I'm getting this, because it is just gonna check one character in the letter, and these are two characters. This is also one more mistake. So it will work only for this, like see, it will get work for this one. Okay, so for this we will get like strong, medium, weak, strong, medium. But if you want like any one character to get check, and uh, of this, then you have to write in means what the exact meaning of in means char is inside of special character, means char can be any one of at or hashtag, and it can be any one of one letter of like secure tree hashtag. Okay, like this is what in means. Okay, I know I made one error, but I'm also trying to see the logic behind that error I made. Okay, so yeah, there is one more part remaining of this question, that we have to like count how many strong password are, how many medium, and how many weak. Okay, for this what we are gonna do is we are gonna take a strong equal to 0, medium equal to 0, and weak equal to 0. Okay, wait a minute. So yeah, this is one more thing, and like see, yeah, what we can take here, let's say strong plus, okay, strong plus equal to 1 if I is equal to, if I is equal to or strong. Okay, wait a minute, just give me a minute. Yeah, strong. Okay, great. If I is equal to great strong, and this I will explain you what I'm doing, just give me a minute. Okay, and if I is equal to strong plus equal to 1, print, no, let's say elif I is equal to medium. Okay, like my answer shaking when I'm writing this, because this is also the one of the topic which mine it is weak, and I don't know why. I just wanna check, like it's not kind of weak, but yeah, I this was also one more topic which I just learned few days ago. I is equal to weak, and weak plus equal to 1, and yeah, weak plus equal to 1, and now what will be, okay, so we are gonna, like first we have to come out of the loop for this, and just a moment, I also want for this to get out of the loop. No, let it be in the loop. uh, let make this out, and I'm like little bit confused that I should be in the loop or not, but okay, say if strong is equal to strong, and print f medium equal to medium, and print c, it's very high chance is that I may make a mistake, but if I will not make a mistake, then you're gonna learn a very new thing, and I think we can also learn so many things from our mistakes. Yeah, I made a mistake. Okay, and I also made a wrong decision that it should be in a loop. Actually, it should not be in the loop. It should be out of the loop. Okay, one mistake is sorted out, and now let's see what happens. Strong, medium, weak. Okay, this is great. This is not great. Okay, so wait a minute. If password I for I is great, um let's make it out of the loop. And now let's see it. If this is out of the loop, then it should be like P, I think. Yes, P. Yeah, P or passwords. Let's keep it as I, and let's see what happen. No, yeah, this is where I make the mistakes. I don't think that I have to take, I should have to take this, but see, you learn by your mistakes, right? Still I'm getting 0. What error I've done? C, medium, strong equal to 0, password is this passwords. Let's say passwords. Let's say password. Yeah, let's run this one. Okay, this is like password. Let's take it as strand, and yeah, we have not defined the strand still now, but we are gonna define the strand. Okay. Give me a moment. Strand, and this. Now let's run this. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's kind of, it's little bit of working. Okay. So for strong it worked, for medium it worked, for weak I have to see what happened to this weak, 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 weak. Um, Maybe this is something what we are missing. Yeah, finally our code got worked. Yeah. So yeah, with this I'm ending my video. For like we took our strong. Okay, so let me summarize this one. Okay. I mean, I know I made some errors in this code because see I'm just in little learning stage and yeah. Also I'm feeling so sleepy because it's night too, right? But at any case, at anyhow we worked it out. So what we have done in this video, we have defined the password, peak, special character, at hashtag, and we have took like if we have took any character dot is upper, like we have asked that any character is upper or not for Karen P, and any character is digit for Karen P, like we were asking that any of one character, okay, any of one character. And you see we have made two errors in this one. One is this error, we took it as equal to, and one more error that I made is over here, where over this, and this both error got worked out. Yeah. So finally we are ending the video with a good note. Okay. So time is 1:42. Yeah, exact 1:42. It's night 2, and I will edit this video. I will upload it. It will get 4, 5, 6. I don't know what the time is gonna be, and I'm gonna go college. It's just gonna be amazing. I just want to see what is gonna get happen. How my tomorrow day is gonna get passed, but leave it. I'm just happy that my video is finally done. Finally I made one video on Python on after so many days, and I know in this video was like totally not perfect or not good, not also at basic level, because who is teaching you is only making the errors, right? It's like, oh, like how like it's just like I can't explain it, but yeah, it's kind of hurting me that I'm teaching you and I'm making errors. Yeah, but see, the errors were genuine because the things that I use is also useful, but at some cases, and at some cases it just get mixed out, and it okay, leave it. But at the last, we are getting like we found our errors and we solved them, and it just went very good, very better way. And I don't know why. Like see, you see me. It's starting my energy be like, and still in middle. Sometimes it get hype up. Okay, like full of my energy, and at the ending I get again down, and at the end of the video, like at last 4 5 minutes, my energy gets up again. Okay, why my energy gets up? Two main reasons. Number one, my consistency is gonna get continue, and I'm back on my video. That's make and I'm ending it. I'm ending with a success note. That's make my energy boost up. Okay, and second is happiness that I'm getting, that finally like I completed this recording. Now I can edit it, I can just upload, and I can have sleep. So this is also the second reason that that what I get, that you say now that the happiness. Okay, yeah. So yes, now I have to close this video. Still now, like when I was teaching, see, I will be frank. When I was when I was writing this all typing, in my mind it was going, bro, it's 1:30 when the video will get end. It's, bro, it's 1:40. You have tomorrow college. Come on, go complete it. Like, end it. And see now, now I don't want to end it. Like I just want to speak something. Okay, but no, I have to end it because you are not here to listen my blah blah blah. You are here to like learn something new. Okay, so yes, yeah, I'm just ending it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm ending it. I'm doing. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, okay.